What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a very random vlog. So we have a lot of people at home today. She's taking photos with my sneakers because
Hey, don't lie, okay? Anything at all.
are you wearing my sneakers and you're saying don't lie?
अरे भाई, oh भाई.
Alright, so like you saw in the thumbnail, we have a very important thing to talk about. The Dior Jordans, like you saw. I am thinking rather considering to sell them. I'll just tell you in a bit why. Did you see the live stream yesterday?
No, I was not a member, so I was not able
You're
to.
not a member, you bastard. You're a member.
You cancelled my membership, you remember?
I did not cancel my membership. What rubbish. So yesterday we were at Main Street. We were doing the live membership live, and we dropped all the steals in the live itself, and that was a real good fun thing to do, and we're going to do that moving forward mostly because everyone enjoyed. So if you have not seen that, then you got to first become a member of Metro, and then you will be able to take part in the.
अरे उधर जाके ब्लॉग करो ना, खाना तो खाने दो.
क्या बोला तूने?
उधर जाके ब्लॉग करो, खाना तो खाने दो.
क्या खा रहा है?
खाना.
खाते ही रहता है खाली जिंदगी भर बस.
सुबह उठ के नाश्ता नहीं करूँ.
सुबह उठ के सोने तक खाते ही रहता है. Anyway, so yeah, coming back to the topic, Harsh, what do you feel? I am planning to sell my Dior clothes.
I don't think you should.
But see, so the point is basically, I know I have said it before that I like the lows better than the highs, but that was a time when I used to wear jeans and sweatpants a lot. So when you're short like me and you wear high tops with say denims or whatever, it does not really look as good. Okay, but what happened after that is that since I got my Eric Emanuel shorts, I really hate wearing my denims or anything else, and I just like to wear my shorts all the time. So the high tops do definitely look way better with shorts because it doesn't make you look short. So that is the reason why I have been attracted towards the Air Jordan 1 highs once again, even though I've said multiple times that the lows better, but that's why I like the highs better now. So that is one reason why I'm planning to sell my Dior Jordan lows, because I want to get the highs. I think they look absolutely fantastic with my Eric Emanuel shorts.
Bro, I think you should keep both with you
Both?
in the collection. Yes.
No, but I can't afford both now, bro. बहुत महंगा है ना.
रुक के लेंगे.
अरे देख अभी ये अपन ने लिया 1.5 लाख में Dior lows retail पे. We took it on retail at 1.5 lakhs, and I think it will easily sell for about 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs right now.
Yeah,
So we are anyways making money, na? It's profit only.
हाँ, but आगे जाके if you want to buy it again, then you have to pay a premium price for it. Doesn't make any sense.
अरे but we want to anyways buy high, तो वो तो वैसे भी महंगा ही है ना. तो अगर अभी ले लेंगे तो बेटर है, शायद आगे जाके और महंगा हो गया तो.
हाँ, but invest करने के लिए कहाँ लेते हैं हम लोग?
Anyways, what do you guys feel? Do let me know in the comments below. Should I make this change? Should I sell my lows and get the highs? I'm sure everyone is going to say.
Me too.
Come here. On a very important topic. What do you think? I'm planning to sell my Dior Jordan lows, okay, because I want to get highs. So what is your opinion? What is your opinion about that?
Now you want to give away lows and take high? बावला થઈ ગયો છે.
अरे बोलो ना यार, मस्ती मत करो. लोग के नहीं लोग क्या करूँ, बेचूं नहीं.
छोड़ो ना, हाई लेते हैं ना. Let's try the highs.
तो लो बेच दूँ ना.
Yeah, dude. Who's going to wear?
See, lows selling is good idea, bro. Okay, so do let me.
बेचो.
So do let me know in the comments.
बेचो.
So do let me know in the comments below what do you guys feel about this decision. I know most of you guys are going to be happy about it because you guys wanted me to get the Dior highs any which ways. And also apart from that, I've purchased a really good thing in the last 2-3 days, and it's going to come in about 7 to 8 days. So I'm extremely excited to do that unboxing. By the way, I have not told him also what I have got. So I'm going to give you guys some real natural Harsh special reactions to that item when we unbox it. Maybe in a in the next video. Next video is going to be about the cap, I think. You guys have been waiting for it for the longest time. So we'll do that in the next video. No, we're actually doing another vlog in the next video. So me, Harsh and Sonal, my sister, we've all coincidentally picked up a sneaker each. Harsh has picked up 2 because like I said, he gets everything on retail, so he can afford to get 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So we're going to do the next vlog and we're going to show you the first sneaker pickups of 2021. That's what's happening in the next vlog. By the way, also since I said I was in Main Street last night and for the live stream, so we were drinking there, so I left my car over there. So I'm going to quickly head out now and get my car back in the house and I'll see you again. अरे चुप ना यार, vlogging चालू है. So by the way, we were just discussing that the Dubai trip is most likely cancelled for obvious reasons because of the institutional quarantine that I told you guys in the last video. So instead, what I'm trying to do is I'm a major wildlife fan. So I'm probably going to be traveling to Jim Corbett National Park, and obviously she's not coming because it's going to be a boys trip, but it's going to be me, it's going to be Wags, it's going to be Harsh, and
an absolutely favorite person of Harsh.
Yeah.
Absolutely favorite.
And we're going to have Himanshu coming with us. That's the Main Street's store manager. So before he was the Main Street store manager, he was my friend, very close friend. So he's going to be joining us in the trip, and Harsh really loves him a lot because he irritates Harsh more than even I do. If you guys think I bully Harsh, that's nothing compared to what Himanshu does. So we're going to be doing that. So I'm going to try and do daily vlogs in Jim Corbett. It's not going to be a travel vlog. It's just going to be like, instead of me being here, we being here, we are going to be there, but we're going to talk about our usual things and sneakers. And I don't know why, for some reason she calls him Jyoti Bhaiya. Oh, by the way, I have a very awesome. I have a very awesome secret about Harsh. I'm going to tell you Harsh's real name today.
Absolutely.
So
real.
my grandparents had kept Harsh's name as Harijot. So he is not Harsh, he is actually Harijot. But he wanted to look cool, so he changed it to Harsh. Actually, on paper, he's still Harijot, right?
Yes, he's Harijot. That is right, Jyoti Bhaiya.
You are still Harijot on paper.
Jyoti Bhaiya.
So that is Harijot. So next time you want to refer to him, please say Harijot, don't say Harsh. He feels really bad because Harijot is his real name. So yeah, in a couple of weeks, no, a couple of days, maybe we'll travel to Jim Corbett.
अगर इमू भैया और मैं एक रूम में हम लोग रहने वाले हैं तो मैं नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं, पर तू और इमू एक रूम में नहीं रहेंगे तो मतलब ही क्या हुआ ना, तू और इमू एक रूम में रहेंगे. Bro, people want to see you. People want to see you.
ज्योति भैया ऐसे मत करो ना. मत करो ना.
अरे क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है तेरे को इमू से?
आपको पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम है मेरे को?
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं.
ये क्या पहना है तूने? शॉल है नीचे. गुची कॉपी.
Absolute first copy.
Okay, so that's what's happening in the next couple of days. Like I said, I have an excellent, super exciting, even better than the Dior's unboxing. Probably in the next couple of videos. Next video is going to be about the cap. No, about our first sneaker pickups of 2021, Didi.
Pickups of 2020.
Definitely.
You wore a sneaker, right? 2021. Don't say which one. That's going to be in the vlog.
Okay.
So yeah, actually today is Saturday, right?
Yep.
Saturday?
Yep.
So it's this weekend, and I thought that why not just shoot a random vlog, because the last one I made, the first vlog of 2021, I did not expect that video to really be seen by many people, but 5,000 of you awesome people watched that as well. So I thought, let's just do a random vlog. I want you guys to know us even better, because then you will connect even more and you will really enjoy watching the other videos on the channel. So that's what we are doing today. Alright, so now we are in the rickshaw and headed to Main Street. Like I said, my car is parked outside there. So let's quickly head over and get into our car. Alright, so done at Main Street and just taking my car and leaving from here. क्या shout out चाहिए? That's Vedansh, by the way, Main Street's Dick. Shout out to him for smooth deals and steals. You'll know in the next video, probably in that unboxing that I spoke about. So
Very
we'll talk about this dick in that video. हम आ गए हैं हमारी गाड़ी में.
Finally!
Alright guys, so that's all for today. I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I'm going to continue the next vlog in a couple of hours. We'll start that. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.